What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, so if you guys are interested, just pay attention, follow along, let's get this going. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% every single month. Best affiliate program I ever seen in my life, so it's only right to promote this product, guys. So affiliate marketers out there, so even if you don't follow the way I promote this product. It's the best one I'm seeing. All right guys, so if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look and see what our results are so far. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page and see what's going on. All right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, not too worried about it, because like I said before, I've been gone for a week. As you can see here, this week here I was just not posting anything, and not doing the method that I'm about to show you guys, so that's why that's dead. Okay, so first and foremost, we want to get you your links, so we're going to click on this right here. This is the link that we're going to use, because I tried a bunch of these links all together, and this one was the first one to get a sale, so I just stuck with it. Maybe you can find one that works better for you. Maybe it's coincidence that I got this one that got the sale first. Whatever it may be, that's the one I'm sticking with. I just want to make sure you guys understand which one I'm using, all right, when I show you this method. So first and foremost, you need to get your affiliate links here. So the first thing you want to do is go to the description of this video here. You're going to see step 1 and step 2. Click on step 1 link, and it's going to take you to this page here. And it's basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? Essentially, it's a funnel builder if you guys are interested in that, but what we're more concerned about is the affiliate program, which is 80%. Everything they sell in this program, 80%, guys. They have 2 recurring products, so you can make $120 a month off of each customer, guys. Fantastic. So we're gonna go in here and click yes, I want to try this out, want to make this money, want to promote this product, right? And we put in our basic information. You have to own the product to promote the product, as for all funnel builders. So yeah, you just put in all your information and get it, right? But this is the $100 recurring product here. It's $125. It's HBA premium. This is basically training that's constantly updated based on the results they get. Like, say for example, they show you how to get sales on all of these sites, Facebook ads or whatever. For example, podcasting, blogging, and LinkedIn weren't up here before. They weren't up here at all. They ain't have them. They ain't have these sections. But over time, they found ways to make it work on these sites, and they decided to show you how to do it. So you can, there's a number of ways you can choose to promote this product. I'm just going to show you the simplest, easiest way I found, and it's constantly updated. And the coolest thing about it, you get it for free. You use my link, guys, for 2 weeks, and if you get a sale with this product, you keep that money, because technically you own the product. All right, so that's fantastic for the jump start. Maybe you could jump start and just go hard on promoting this product right away and make a lot of money. All right, so once you got your links and all that, you sign in, blah blah blah, you need a way to promote it. Easiest way to promote it, 25 My Lead Gen Secrets. So we go to our second link in my description. It's gonna take you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. Get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. That's what the product is, right? So we're just gonna go to the mailing system here. Just gonna click on here. We're gonna use one of the links one of the emails I've been using already, since it seems to perform pretty well. Just gonna click on the next one, put it in there, blah blah blah, boom, perfect timing. Look at preview. Gonna make sure the link works. One thing, just check to see if the link works. And another reason why I'm doing this, well, I want to make sure you guys get a chance to copy this email in case you guys are interested in using the email that I'm using as well. Now, you don't have to use the emails I use. You could probably come up with some more emails on ChatGPT or anything else like that, and try to, just get some emails to send. My only recommendation is to make sure the emails are fairly short and very concise, like very into, hey, We got this product we're trying to promote. Do you want in? Something like that. Something very simple. You can make a lot of money with this product. Blah. Something like that. That works really well in my experience. So yeah, we just go do that. We close. We send email. We're done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple. Very easy. Very quick. Now we do this every single day, and you can make a couple of bucks. Now this ain't the way. This won't make you rich. I will admit that. This won't make you rich. You gotta use one of the other methods to make you rich. But this is the easiest I found to make money with. This works if you're having a hard time making money online and you're just trying to get that first sale or something like that. Cause I know how it was. It took me about 9 months to get my first sale once I started trying to learn how to affiliate market. I tried a bunch of stuff. I finally got my first sale, and this here is one of them products that can really get you your first sale pretty quick. And my lead gen secret, that first sale real well. So that's all there is to that, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.